HubSpot mandatory secure URLs on Webhook Actions. What is it? Hang on. You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I put on the nerd glasses because the trigger a webhook action in workflows will soon require secure URLs that use HTTPS. Over time, URLs that use HTTP will be phased out from webhook actions. If this is confusing and you're like, HTTPS, what? Well, call me right now. Maybe Google an article. No, really, just call me right now. Why is it important to HubSpot users? Well, because workflow webhook actions send information from the contact profile over the internet. And because of this, it's important to make sure this information is secure and not at risk. Nobody wants their information to be at risk, right? Moving to HTTPS URLs ensure all HubSpot workflow webhook URLs will help keep customers' data secure. So you might be wondering how it works, and even though I put the glasses on, let me try not to be too nerdy here. The Workflows tool will not allow creating a new webhook action that does not use an HTTPS address. Pretty simple, right? Existing workflow actions that do not use HTTPS will display an error in the editor. Pro tip, that means go fix them now. This error prevents the user from activating the workflow until they update the webhook URL to an HTTPS address. For the time being, existing webhook actions that use the non-secure HTTP address will continue to work. However, around November 18th, give or take a day or so, I'm doing my best calculations, webhook actions will still use an HTTP address, will be skipped automatically. Wondering if you need to take action? Well, if you do, you will receive an in-app notification to a link to help you automatically change all of your existing HTTP. I don't know if I said that right. If you do, you will receive an in-app notification to a link to help you automatically change all of your existing HTTP webhook actions to HTTPS. Since some web service referenced by webhook actions are not supporting HTTPS, it is important to test that webhook action to make sure it's continuing to work. Whew, I hope I didn't lose you there. So who gets it? Well, all customers with access to workflows, and it's available in all languages that HubSpot supports. Hey, do you like these updates? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio and /video so you can get into our podcast and learn while you're on the move. While you're on the internet, check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel where you can hit the bells, the likes, and subscribes, watch more videos, let us know that you're part of the community. And hey, if you need training passes update, make sure you check out the description below. That's right, those links, 1- and 2-day workshops, as well as weekly trainings. Make sure you test these webhooks. Make sure you get set up with the HTTPS URLs. And hey, if you do, that's gonna make sure that you are continuing to do some happy HubSpotting.